there, my name is Sujit Dhillon and I'll be doing eyebrow threading today on this beautiful client. Eyebrow threading is done with 100% cotton thread, which is manufactured in India, and the process is a little bit painful but not very much. It doesn't irritate your skin like waxing does, so it's much better than waxing, and it's very precise, so it gives you a really nice shape. Before you come to us for getting your eyebrows shaped, we'll recommend that you let them grow for at least 2 weeks so that you get a good shape. And the hair is long enough for me to catch with the thread. It's less painful than tweezing. Tweezing is more painful as we tweeze one hair at a time, and the thread pulls out few hair at a time and is quicker. All right, just to let you know that I'll be threading the middle of your eyebrows first, and then clean up the top of your brows, and then I'll go underneath to shape them. I'm just going to fill them in a little bit just to make them look more precise. So I added a little bit of blend, not too much, so it doesn't show that you have makeup on. So we just finished doing her eyebrows with the thread. And we'll recommend that a client comes back within like 2 to 3 weeks when you see that the shape is not there anymore or is changing a little bit. Just come back and let us help you out.